Hi everyone, in this video we will be cooking sauteed green beans, and here are the ingredients for this recipe. So let's get started. Okay, so I have here a pound of green beans. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the tips, and then you could cut at any length you want. Then I'm placing them in a bowl of water, and afterwards I will rinse them off. On a chopping board, we're going to cut some onions and also mince some garlic cloves. I would really appreciate if you guys subscribe to my channel and like my videos. In a skillet, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil or olive oil and turn on the stove to medium heat. Once the oil is hot, you can go ahead and add the onions and the garlic. Now we could move along and add the green beans. And we can let this cook for about 8 to 10 minutes or until the beans is tendered. I also sprinkled some pepper and a little bit of dark soy sauce. And this is it. This is how I cook sauteed green beans with onions and garlic, and it is super easy, delicious, and you can cook it right at your home. Okay, this is it for this video, and thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.